There are many things I liked about coming to the Renaissance Institute. The doctor that treated me, Dr. Zadeh, was extremely patient, very knowledgeable, very reassuring, and conveyed an aura of expertise and confidence in his work and its benefits for me.
The doctors were amazing here. They diagnosed the problem and gave me a great solution for it. You know, the IPL and laser genesis was exactly what I needed to help the rosacea without the use of medication.
What I liked most about working with Dr. Zadeh was that he is kind and so knowledgeable.
I really appreciated how friendly everyone was, and Dr. Zadeh listened to all my concerns, and he explained everything very thoroughly. The circulatory system, the treatment, the procedure before, during, and after, what I could expect and what was required of me, and I felt very well informed going into the procedure.
What I loved the most about working with Dr. Z was the fact that in today's world, people don't take the time for you. Whether it's at the doctor's office, the grocery store, it doesn't matter. We live in such a fast-paced world that when I came here, the fact that he talked to me in the doctor's office and then took me in his office and talked personally about the changes that would happen in the procedure, just the calmness in him, the never felt like I was in a hurry to get out the door. Never felt like I was taking up his time. He was calm, considerate, compassionate, kind, and so easygoing to work with.
What I liked about working with the doctors at Renaissance was that they informed me about every step of the process. You know, when I went in, that we talked about what we were going to do before they started and how it was probably going to feel and what would possibly happen after. When I went home a couple hours later, if this happens, you can do this. You know, don't worry, if you need anything, you can call. Although my procedures went very well and exactly as planned, I never had any side effects, but I wasn't worried about that when I went home. I knew that they would always be there and available.
There were several things I liked about working with the doctors. One, of course, was that I felt confident in their abilities. They came highly recommended to me by people I trusted.
When I walked in, the receptionist was wonderful. The office looks like a living room, so immediately you feel reassured and at home and calm. And Dr. Zadeh is informative and kind and knowledgeable. It was a wonderful experience.
My overall experience here has been great. I've enjoyed coming here. I've seen huge improvement in my skin, which in turn makes my life better and makes me enjoy my life more.
When I first came to Renaissance, I felt welcomed. It's a wonderful atmosphere. They introduced me to the doctor. He answered all my questions very patiently and kindly. He explained everything more fully than I had been explained to from other doctors I interviewed. And I immediately felt at ease. So I was actually ready to sign up for my procedure after my first meeting with Dr. Zadeh.
Everything went according to what they said. There were no surprises as far as the outcome. I knew exactly what to expect, and that's what happened. And so I felt very confident that everything would go the way they said.
I think that this office is incredible as far as meeting patient needs.